Well, hello VC and other audio lovers. I decided to update a tad early. I don't think there's going to be too many more updates this month. And first of all, there's a bit of an unboxing. This is an album I ordered, I think, in this third quarter last year. I found one on Amazon that was listed way below the average selling price anywhere else, and I put an order in on it, and then they said they couldn't find it. And since then, I've gotten several offers to cancel the order and buy other items, which I've taken them up on, but I left the order in and it finally actually showed up one day. If I can find the top of the box, I don't cut into it. Hopefully it's in one piece and not destroyed. Let us zip it open. Oops, didn't open one side of the box. Let's not cut our finger off. Oop. Oh, and inside the box, unlike the last album I got, which just came in a plain paper envelope, is a proper record mailer. So let's see if I can pop the record mailer open without actually unzipping it. I like to reuse them if I can. Oh, I did. And inside the record mailer is, close your eyes because this is not internet safe, a copy of Feelings by Jay Richford and Gary Stephen. I'll put up the links I found to the original album from the 1970s from Italy. It's an absolutely ridiculous price. I'll leave it up here somewhere. And more current albums are selling in the couple of hundred. Let's say this one I found here was well below what I'm willing to pay for albums. So I'm pretty happy to get it. Hopefully it's in a good shape. So that's another grail gone. I'm down only 2 or 3 albums I'm still actively looking for. And let's get going on the few pickups I made this month. There's not too many of them. Actually, it's only been a couple of weeks. Actually, it was not only a couple of weeks, it's January and February. But I did pick up the Kingston Trio's college concert. And, oops, let's not drop it. Peter, Paul, and Mary's In the Wind album. But these are all in surprisingly really good shape. There's a little bit of water down. Ian and Sylvia's Northern Journey. These are all folky albums so far, all pop and folk. And then I got, if anybody remembers Lulu, this is a pretty old album, To Sir With Love. This is definitely a pop album from the 60s. Who did this one? Oh yeah, Fritz Reham did Handel's Water Music. This is definitely a classical album. Really? Okay. I'm trying to figure out what genre this one's from. I should have known. It's a Bobby Gentry, The Delta Sweetie. It's a country album. Helen Reddy, I Don't Know How to Love Him. This one would be a pop album. And I'm going to have a horrible time pronouncing this fellow's name. It says it's Gennady Rozhademzhensky. It's a Russian concert. It's a 1972 classic album. And more my speed is Mo Kaufman, The Four Seasons. This is a double album. Oops. Can't see the camera when I'm holding it up like that. I have no idea if you could actually see that or not. I couldn't see the camera when it's held up like that. And it's followed by a Peter Appleyard, The Lincolnshire Poacher. This is a 1973 jazz album. And people probably know this one. It's by various artists. Godspell from 1975, A Stage to Screen. And the last time I showed, I picked up a couple of Animals albums, Animalism and Animalization, that they were not playable at all, that they were so scratched up I didn't think they'd work. That would be this guy. I tried something I heard from somebody on the internet to see if I could revive them, and I rubbed them down with a product called Simple Green. Didn't think it was going to work, but after letting it sit on it for a while and then really cleaning it off well, the albums played through without almost a single pop. I'm really surprised that it seemed to revive them very nicely. Now, it's definitely not something I'd recommend you actually try on any album you like. I have no idea what Simple Green does to albums. Well, that should be it for this month, unless I have a random sudden pile of new albums coming in the next couple of days. That'll be it then. So long, bye-bye, and see you around in the tube thing.